Guys, in Sanborn, Namjan. Namjaphil.
Who are you talking to?
I switched apps. I'm on TikTok right now.
Yeah, that was fast.
Ngibonile ukuthi ayikho into laphayana like hey beautiful. Hello. Guys, in like ngifuna that is so cute. You like run here. Lapho ngizobhorekela kulina cabang. But I appreciate it. Like guys, yazini kahle kahle mina yazi ngifuna ukukhuluma noSino. Do you guys know Honorable Sino? But like I'm totally like I need food and I've given up. Like adding in food and like I've been the nonchalant guy. Maslow, he's here on TikTok. It's SEENO. Sino. I spoke to him on the DMs and he was like, we'll meet someday.
I'm hungry.
We'll meet someday. And then he asked me, okay. But now, like, I got told, like, oh, we need to phone. Deserve my buffaloes. I know, I do. How, it's a shame. Hi, guys, like, not even, I'm not even, like, glazing or, like, getting gift. I'm not going to say, I ain't shared anything now. I just want to interact with him. Like, his aura is so cool. But, like, hey, I got told, hey, baby, and then I was like, you're actually so cool. And he's like, thank you, miss. I think you're cool too. I was like, I went, you know me. You know me from somewhere. But like, the thing is, now, like, and this app, Ome TV, and that app is it's a bit overwhelming. So I'm going to get the app. Like, I don't want to go on the app. But like, you only find him on that app. Relax, enjoy time. No, I cannot relax. Like, I cannot. I want to talk to Sino, like, right now. He goes live on TikTok, but on TikTok he's just extremely rude, and I don't want to. Either light skin, a false narrative. That is false. Light skins are actually the sweetest people you can come across, actually. But like, yeah, guys, bang for no shoot me, because for Sino. And listening more now, because are you a good girl? Yeah, I think I'd love to believe so. When I see Sino, guys, you just know what he's on Shinchela. I won't be the same Abu because I'll glaze so hard, guys. Like I don't know. I just love Sino so much. What if he doesn't want what you want? What do you mean? And I'm never beating allegations. Like, I'll always glaze him. I'm not beating the allegations. Like, nothing's on glazer. I swear to God, if I come across him, I'll glaze him, definitely. He has such a cool aura. Oh, you want low-key things. What the hell is Jason on about? Jason, like, what low-key things are you talking about? How can you have low-key things? Like, I'm glazer, and I was just glazing him on his DMs, and he actually answered. That was the crazy part. I was like, oh, he caught me lacking. Clock it. He caught me lacking. Like, he actually caught me lacking. Because what do you mean? Then I'm glazing. You say, oh my gosh, you're the coolest guy ever. Like, I want to meet you one day. And he actually answered me, and it's like, thank you, miss. Yeah, I appreciate it. I was like, he caught me lacking. Did I know? Yeah, it does. I don't think in you guys. But like, yeah, guys, I am never beating the allegations. I will fangirl over people. Like, I'll fangirl to the core. Like, and say, about fangirl over Sino, definitely. I'll fangirl over Sonabile. Sonabile is that guy. You ain't really that bro. Hush. Like, fangirl, definitely. I want fangirl over these big people. I fangirl over them. The artist from the local artist, Zaza girl. Clocky. But like, yeah. Like, I just want to meet them. Like, and also, guys, I mean, I want to I want to meet them because, like, I feel like if I meet these people, I'll be at my peak because I'm an aspiring content creator. No, not a content creator, influencer. Is there a difference? Is there a difference between content creator and influencer? Is there content creator, influencer? Don't they do the same thing? Please, can you guys tell me what is the difference between an influencer and a content creator? Is there an actual difference? Because then an influencer is supposed to influence people, like he promotes, and umehluko phakathi influencer and content creator. Lion I hate people that just ruin. Like, you just cramp my style, man. Like, what the hell? Like, CP's dingo. Boring. But like, yeah, guys, please follow me. Please double tap the screen and follow me. Right? I promise you, I'm so fun. Like, I'll follow you back. But guys, what's the difference between a content creator and an influencer? How? Please answer me. I'm actually like very curious. Especially in King as ngirat ninkinga zami bandla umfana ngibonga ithuba ne bathi ngirat ninkinga zami zona azingigowisi njengomfana umfana ukugowisa to the core ngona ngigowise i non-living thing nokuthi ngigowise i living thing. Thank you for following the Life Creator. Please do follow me, guys. But aningiphendule, what is the difference between an influencer and a content creator? And a content creator, you create content. An influencer is an influencer influences, but like also content creator influences people. No, am I making sense? I'm not. Like, guys, I really want to grow into this space. Thank you for following. Thank you. I want to grow into this space, like social media, but like these two things confuse me so bad. I don't know what is what, but yeah. And one day, when I'm actually that girl that I think I am, when I'm actually big, these content creators will finally read my DMs because I'll be that girl and they will know me. And they'll be like, girl, what were you doing in my DMs, guys? The way I found girl in these influencers' DMs. Let me actually accept.
Okay.
Someone.
Yeah, boy.
Mm-hmm.
Alright.
Yeah, feeling good. Ngiyakusaba
Ongizapha.
ngoba ingathi uyaphoxana i-content yakho hlezi ngibuka.
Ngathi ngenzani?
Uyaphoxana.
Mara. Ngiphoxa bani?
Uphoxani, but like ngiyaku-respect, angikusaba, okay, ngiyaku-respect, ne, angikusaba.
Alright, mara.
Ngiyaphila njani bhuti?
Mshaphu uhlala phi?
Ngihlala eThekwini. Yabona-ke bathi i-celebrate.
Mina ngizoxabana. Bathi ngini?
Bathi i-celebrate, manje bangifakela i-pressure.
Mina ngizoxabana nolona nina. Mina ngizoxabana no-Arifix. Nithi mina ngini?
I-celebrate, kanti uyini? Awuyani i-celebrate?
Azani ngize u-Arifix nithi mina ngi-celebrate ngizoxabana naye. Nina?
Asikisi, ishi basho bona masa, akusho mina. Basho abantu la. And baningi yazi bathi i-celebrate. Kanti ngiyakwazi nami. Chizi ngikubona kufona.
Ukhawatha network yazi so that chini invite again.
How? What? Disconnect? Is my Wi-Fi bad? I feel like my Wi-Fi is so bad. Guys, when I in like in your mouth, but I don't know go to wenzani. Ngiyamazi ne, but angazi ukuthi wenzani. And ngiyamsaba because he'll invite you again. Guys, ngiyamsaba, like he's so intimidating. Go put Scots. No, like what does he do? Like in the content yakhe. Ngiyamsaba mina mfana. How KFC bethi ngipho ukudla noma ama wings awu4. Ngiyacela like ama wings awu4. Usaba khona kwi live yagomed. What do you mean? Nama wings awu4 KFC awu4 nje ngizobonga okuncane ngiyacela ngi-student ne like ngicela ngiphe ama wings awu4. Upho KFC. Upho KFC guys angiphe ama wings awu4 ngizoba right. Guys wenzani loyana nithi uyi celebrate like hlezi ngibone shayela ama celebrate ama VN. I post asendela ama celebrate ama VN. And he does that content, right? But mina ngiyamthaba because engathi yaphoxana and isihloshe network besakhuluma. KFC cela ngiphe ukudla KFC guys ungisukelile. Shaba wama 2K. I'll look at his content. Like bengazi nokuthi too famous cabang. And he's the one that invited me. What does that mean, guys? Let me celebrate. I mean that like celebrate, let me celebrate. Obviously. I got a book and I know it's fine. It's okay. But like mina nje ngikhuluma no KFC ungisukelile yazi. How KFC kanjani manje? He celebrates. Uthi bengimise ngicelebrate sizoxabana ngazi ngizoxabana nobana ngimzwanga kahle. Guys, is my network okay? Cuz ngihloshe network ngisakhuluma naye and then sakhatha. I don't know if it was me or it was him, but khona into ehluphile in between the lines. Thank you. Like guys, one thing about me, I don't wanna fangirl too hard. About umuntu angifuna ukumglaze ngithi oh my god, celebrity. No. Nje kubonakala ukuthi angikwazi noma kuthiwa ngikwazi kanjani. Thola ukuthi nje angilala ebusuku. Ngithi the day I meet you. But the day I meet you, I will not fangirl because I do not like fangirling like Kaibo Sisi. Says, "Haibo kanti niyambiza yini?" Ningambizi, Aibo, IG kinda, but don't call him. I'm sure it's busy. I was just saying, it was great speaking to him. But don't call him back. He doesn't have to come back. But like, yeah, mina nje bengihlangana celebrate, especially on the live. I-character yakho ngamthatha serious. Noma kuthiwa uyathetha ayingeke mina guys, I'm very sensitive like kwangithetha ngizokhala. That's why uthe ngena ku live yami ngamtshela ukuthi mina ngiyakusaba. Cela abantu ungangiphoqi because ngiyakusaba mina guys, like I'm such a sensitive girl. The slightest jokes will actually hurt me because like how, what do you mean? Baba? But like yeah. Ngiyasaba ethi co-host. Guys, I hope he thinks I'm cool. He's looking for you. Awa unamanga IG, unamanga aina kanda bread like ngiyasaba. Yeah, ngiyamsaba. Ngiyamsaba uzongitrendisa. Tell him ang invite. Ngeke ngim-invite mina. Hey, cha. Awunqoma phela. Unjani ngaphela unjani? Akang invite sakhuluma. Ngitshela ukuthi angangiphoxi kodwa. Like angangiphoxi. Akang invite. Hello, hi, Njani. Like ngasang invite sakhuluma like it'll actually speak. Who else? Hopi. Ushaba Wama 2K. Shaba Wama 2K. I don't even follow him. Imagine crazy thing. That's how crazy it is. I don't follow him. Shout out to you actually. Guys, whoever said I'm their favorite content creator. Even that I don't even guys, ningwana content creator ne? Like nibening more than anybody content creator. It's so crazy. Like so many people think I'm a content creator. Guys, I'm just a girl that's just making videos on TikTok. A random ass girl. Like, in your Facebook, a content creator, but like, you guys hype me up so bad. I think you content creator. I'm your content creator, guys. Content time is content serious. When I say pantela, like in yes pantela. When I pantela. I really wish to reach the level you guys put me in, because like the way you guys see me, it's so heartwarming. Like, you wanna feeling born and it's, oh, are you that girl from TikTok? And I'm like, wow, you guys recognize me. Like, you guys actually push me to do better, you know. But I'm gonna figure glow level. Look back in the crate. I wanna go just open dive. Hi. Like, I'm gonna go figure glow level. Good thing me content creator. Like the way you guys can actually call me content creator. Cabanga seningibiza nge-content creator phambi kwe-content creator ngempela izothi content creator lona simazela plus asimazi nje thina yabo. So but one day is one day ne Exactly. Exactly. Content creator. Get a load of this guy. You thought special game go bank like guys in the one and you could see my influencer. Hey, I'm an influencer. Spoke at you. Ngeke. Yazi angiboni ngeke khehla, but like nje. But I really wish I get to that point. Hey, the world up, bruh. I really wish I get to that point. I'm actually a content creator that is known by people. Like I get so demotivated. Like I work hard, name. You look so beautiful. I love your lashes. I love you. Okay, I love you. Thank you, Viela. Thank you, Mama. Like I love being in the creation space and doing all that stuff. But man, I'm a shy girl, and Nyasava, thank you for the rose. Thank you for the rose. Like in Nyasava, they always say start with what you have, but like, what do I have? That's the question. What do I have? Like
Ngibhala ngo-9 cabanga.
Ekseni.
Manje nje bro, and like ngifuna ukulala like a proper like sleep enough because
Uzolala God, are you gonna sleep before you ride?
Literally manje nje ngo-2 ngifuna sengilele.
Shame, mama ngizobhala at least but ngicela ukubhala ekseni so get it over and done with.
Yeah, ngiphela because vele ngiyabhala 3 papers this week bro, but after that I'm done. But like 3 papers nje ngifile.
Askis ne, what is uzobhala kahle?
Yeah, hopefully. So guys now baba khona nabantu from my thingy they coming here now.
Oh, Halloween guys. Now we're being a little.
Yeah, busanibona. Hi, Sandy. Yeah, bengi check bengibona so live man. I've never seen you live actually.
I don't go live because I live once le airplay yathi nje wena umncane bangiphuca and I was like never again.
Oh, mina ke like ngiyaba live yazana. Ngiyaba live yazana but like into is today shame was first. So like I'm wearing like those crop top and stuff and then they started reporting me with me. And I believe it's the same person looking reporting.
Mina ke even rest bavele bayithatha i-live feature bathi nje ngikuthole for 5 years I had to appeal so many times.
Oh my God. Like banestina fan.
Banestina ngazi umuntu aphuma kani ke-live bengafuna ukubona.
But yeah. Okay. When ubhala nini? You're not writing this week?
Wednesday. Yeah.
Who is letter class?
Yabonga lapho ngisebenzisa ile content nama disco live.
Machine. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, lala kayo na pala.
Ngiyabonga mama ubhale kahle ne.
Thank you so much. Bye.
Love you.
Love you, mom.
Bye mama. Guys, I'm Tando Snail. I love her so bad. I love her down. Anyways, that's my girl. Guys, I love girlhood. Like, yo, like, I feel like I could just take all the girls and put them in my pocket or hide them under my bed. I'll give them snacks every day, all day. Like, yeah, guys, I'm like, wow. Pretty girl, ne? I can't believe, guys, academic year is over. Like, we just arrived. Like, we just arrived yesterday. We just arrived. What do you mean we're going back home for 3 months? I'm going to 3 months long. Like, I'm going to 3 months. For 3 months. How old are you? I'm old enough to be a mom. Let's not ask. Let's not do that. Like, guys, like, why is Kotuga? Like, he's a Kyla. Why is Kotuga? Like, he's happy. Like, he's a Kyla. Like, Anazine, he's a Kyla. Like, why anything happen? Was a challenge, like, guys, I'm funny. I don't want.
Here's some chicken nuggets.
Thank you.
I'm sorry.
You actually cooked.
Girl, I was starving. And I realized I can't do it anymore. And that I could hold down till the end. My eyes aren't closing. Now I'm just watching you go like.
Something about handsome.
What's happening? Israel, do I handsome? Don't even know if I should turn on the lights. Because I know heat.
Hi.
It's not as spicy as yesterday because I didn't put more spice. It's just that the oil was the same.
Siyaphila. We're good. A celebrity joined my live.
Bye.
A celebrity joined my live. Apparently, according to people, he's a celebrity. I don't know him.
Shouldn't be saying that on the live.
Marake. What's the use of those lip gloss? If you, oh no, sorry. You see, that's why I wear glasses. I just proved you. I just answered your question. I can't see shit. What's the use of those glasses if you can't see that we're meant to be? I think.
Oh. That's a lie.
He better accept my. He better. Ha. Fake ass nigga. Hey, beautiful. Hey. Kaya nahambe no live yambuso M. If anyone tell ukuthi you fake. We have a live yambuso M. _M. Hambe ngabhala ukuthi you're fake. No, it's you're fake. Cause it's so fake. Why would he decline me? It's fine. Hey, beautiful. Hey. Thank you for following. Awesome. Thank you.
The comments you make finish me.
Ilento wena sisi ngoba uyazibana. How ngizibana kanjani?
Which way they from ngoba yazibana?
Really nto.
Oh.
Ufakele kokorosha. Kathi ngikokoroshe. Njani ngiyaphila. Wena njani?
That's an insult because these things are making a life miserable.
So ngempela ke umuntu ofuna uku-host. Shem, niyapretendana la kule app like niyapretendana shem. Why ungajoli? Angijoli sidalwa. Silokhane ngazala nje, angijoli.
Is it raw?
Hmm?
Is it raw?
Right.
Okay. I was kind of scared. So I'm just saying, but I'm off with that and jambel.
Angijoli sidalwa. Niyajola. Kahle ngamanga. Nazi. Straw. Straw ngiyakutshela. Ngiyakutshela. Ngiright nami. Uhlala lapha. Hlala khona la. As in how? Wow, why can't you ngafuna ukhosta nami like inengenza wrong? Like anifuni serious name? Wow. Abulele. Hello.
Sawubona.
Hello. Njani?
Ngiyaphila wena njani?
Ngiyaphila nami.
Awusemuhle Nkosi yami.
Ngiyabonga.
Cabanga ngathi awuye etoilet.
Away mina. Indlela enqoma ngayo but ngiyabonga.
Nalama specs kahle kahle bafakela ukuthi ubone mina kuphela ne?
Bakithi ukuthi ngibone wonke umuntu nje.
Cha ukuthi ubone mina.
Ngazi-ke lapho.
Igama lami ngusithandwa sami nobani?
Mina ngu-Abulele Newo.
Ngicela ulibize futhi igama lakho.
Newo.
Nithi mina lami ngicela ulibize futhi.
Newo.
Mina elami ngusithandwa sami.
Hayi shit sorry uzobiza umamakho hayi mina.
Hawu. Wasuyangidelela manje ungisukela indaba.
Angikudeleli ngithi uzobiza umamakho mina ngizokubiza ngoNewo lo obhalela.
Unewo mina.
Kubhalwe Newo lana umuniyo whatever.
Uyangisukela. Yeah, angisho ngikhulele ngale America that's why kahle kahle uniyo. Ngikhulele America. Yebo. Awusemuhle Nkosi yami mbani ubale uAbulele. Gama lakho lidangerous so ngathi ama drugs angazi serious nje.
Asangidelela. Igama lami Abulele.
Abulele. Abulele awusemuhle Nkosi yami yo. Mina bengicela ukukulobola kahle kahle ngifuna ukulobola online. Ngini bayathatha ama lobola online? Ngizosenda inkomo lapha WhatsApp. If bafuna amalobolo online ngasenda amajuba because amajuba ayafika.
Hayi sorry sebekhona abalethile ufike late.
Sebakhona abalethile? Hayi inkomo zabo shutha bo Caster Semenya babo zakijima phela. Awu fast so.
Late sorry.
Hayi yasazi lesisho lesibathi it's better be late than sorry.
But asisebenzi la.
Amalipsi akho Nkosi yami China kamnandi kanjani ngathi uyayikhotha.
Okay, beta ke manje beta ke ngikhotha in. Umina. Hi Ethan, right? Amalipsi ama China ngathi ngiyakhotha ngikhotha what the fuck?
Why couldn't my fast get out?
Wala nje abafana. Siyabonga welamuli. Mina guys nabafana basoqala bethu kubheda. Shangikwe fast. Ngiyaphila njani? Ngiyaphila nami. Cela. Ethan, ngiyaphila. Guys uthini uviyelwa? Uviyelwa uthini kanti wayebehlisa umoya. Uviyelwa uyang understand. Welcome back. She's back. Yeah. Ngiyabonga. Thank you ngapha kakhulu episode opinion nje njalo. Guys, yabona manje sengiyasaba into engiyenzayo fanele ngenze sure ukuthi ngiyenza careful because one mistake, one bullet. Uyarasa how? Ngiyarasa njani? Accepting request to join the live, yeah, you can request. Ngithi imbile fetha kaneo nginamanga yencha qinisile 100%. I fully agree with you. 100%. Beyimbile I feel tired. You look pretty. Where are you from? Yabong. I'm from around in Kalal. Oh, thank you. Ngiyabonga siya. Thank you so much. Ningenza shy mos nina. Wonake. Nangoke. Wonake. Sifuna ukucacisa ukuthi ngowakhe guys. Ongilobola phela usis makambili yabona. Manje ke sifuna cacela ku live ukuthi kahle kahle mina naye. Siso. Thank you. Ngiyabonga noma. Ngiyabonga. Please accept. I did accept your request. Homa, thank you for the crystal. You guys. Thank you for the crystal.
Hi, what's your name?
Oh. Fast. So, my name is literally on here. Kalama Abulele. Ngizwanga.
Could you please pronounce it for me?
Home kuyenzile Monday kusasa namhlanje phofu. You sound very young and uzangenza ukuthi le app le ingiphinde. I'm so sorry. Angeke ingane layana. Angeke. Ingane. Hey. Hi. Ingane. Not to be rude, but like ingane kind. I have bad experiences with the app le. It's a feeling shy ngekwe. Yabo. But I hope he's good. By the way, my name is Abulele if you're still on the live. Yeah. Was that rude? What's it? Hey, fan sheets. Hey, guys, a system notification is on fan sheets. Please. Notification won't go on fan sheets. Guys, in I'm an influencer scam, and as when I'm an influencer, I'm getting scam. I promise you down. I won't getting scam. Oh, IG kinda. Your request is not showing. I hope like tabang over lang. Please request again. You're not showing. I swear. Where are you from? Angeke uzongenzani? Ay. Ngihlala khona la arounding. I'm from KZN. Basically.
Initially, nothing much. Hello, hi.
Hi, how are you?
I'm super now again.
Happy.
That's good. Are you happy?
Do I look sad? What? What?
You don't have, you don't have to look your part.
Are you happy? What if I start crying in the live? That is a very personal question.
That's
Question.
what we want. That's what we want. We want like you get it, so we can assist you. Don't pretend.
Are you a therapist?
I might be.
Mengivele ngikhala ngixoxela indaba zami uzowenza njani ngoba phela ule mina ngile.
I don't have to be close to help you, eh?
Okay.
Now, when you say
That is very nice.
are you okay though?
Sorry?
Are you okay?
Wait. It's like, hey, I'm going to pack out something amazing. No, I'm joking. I'm good, man. Thank you for asking. I appreciate it.
Xhosa.
Kangumzulu.
How? Oh, okay. Okay. And then we chose on yesterday.
Huh?
Did you go to church yesterday?
Yeah.
Hi. Yo.
Yeah, I did.
Okay, that's nice. Did you enjoy?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, man. Are you sure about that?
Yeah. Are you taking notes?
I might be. Don't worry. Don't worry. Why are you
Ow.
asking?
Whoa.
That's the
Whoa.
question.
Hold
Wait, no,
on.
it's not about that. Relax, relax. I haven't even gotten to any serious questions as yet. Right.
Then at least I think that is just in case I start crying.
Now you are projecting actually. You seem to be projecting because now my intention is not to make you cry or anything. But you already know that if you were to tell you're gonna cry now. What's up with that?
No, I'm just asking because it seems like you're going deeper. Are you okay? Are you happy? Now you're getting into church. Wow.
No,
Crazy.
I was just gonna simply ask you what is it that you learned yesterday? That's all. Not much since you went to church.
Yeah. I did go to church.
You did, and then what did you learn then? Or what was the message for you to take home?
Well, well. Films are going to be 18. But tell me something I'm trying is all. I'll get back to you about that one. No, as in,
Hey.
I know it name, but like
Mhm.
it's like deep in my heart. I will imagine. I'm still trying to process the verse. I'll get back to it as soon as I've processed it and
That's
felt the.
crazy. That's crazy. That it's fine. It's fine. You don't have to sugarcoat anything. But anyway, what's your name, Vel?
My name is Abulele.
Avulele Masango.
What? Where is that from?
Like it's Avulele, right? Meaning like let him open.
Let him open what?
I mean your name meaning the meaning of your name.
Oh, Abulele means we're grateful.
Oh,
Abulele.
oh, oh, okay. Oh,
Similar
okay.
to Abulela, but it's Abulele for a girl.
Oh, I'm not Zulu, so I was just guessing. Okay. Okay, okay.
It's actually a Xhosa
And
name.
uh,
It's a Xhosa name, actually.
so you're a mixed breed then.
No, I guess.
Come again. You cut there for a moment.
I'm 100% Zulu.
Okay. Are you
My
injured?
parents just left. I'm in Durban.
Okay. Okay. Makes sense. Makes sense. Um. Okay. One serious question. Are you happy with where your life is at the moment?
Ngikhulumele naye.
Why?
Yeah. Awa. Yazi angiboni.
Yo. don't know if it's my neck or hers, but one of the two is tripping so bad. Okay, well, it's not my network then. Oh,
But please, somebody say yes or no. Just one person, please. 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 So nizongiziva ne? Sharp. Sharp. It's kind of bad and it's interested. I'm so sorry, guys. Oh, I swear. I don't like. I guess I'll just end the live. The
No,
letters.
it's perfectly fine, bro.
Letters. Bazangihlangisa abafuna ukuthi sibonde. Because why the hell is the Wi-Fi tweaking? Anywho, guys. No, don't. Angithi Wi-Fi yami imbi nje.
Your Wi-Fi is fine, but let's stop cracking out.
Let me co-host one more time. I hope the next person won't ask me ukuthi, am I okay? So you're always live? No, not even. Happens once in a blue moon. Once in a blue moon. And yeah. Mina ungaba influencer onke ama-influencer ngizofocus kuyena nginamanga. Hayi yazi bengicishe ngakholwa. Hayi yabona-ke. Sekangaka ngikholwe kangaka. Abe ngathi nginamanga. Mina kade ngizobe influencer yena like angimindi. Like ngizobe influencer yena serious. Yes one. Futhi mina ngingimzibe, ngingindayise. I'm strip pop. Guys, from today onwards, ngi-influencer yavuyelwa. Actually, uyena APA yami menifuna ukungibooka ne and contact her. I'm one call away. Oh, Asha, I'm a co-host below my friend. And he's again. Guys, do you wanna my battery is 20% and I'm a co-host. I phone goes his co-host, so Sabon. Yeah, but Sabon and demand. Oh. Yeah, anyways guys, bekomnandi ukuba nani. Ngithanda isicef, ngithanda but when color. Guys, ahlekisa uvuyela yezwa. Celani oh, thank you for the rose. Thank you for the rose. Good night, beautiful. Good night. Give this life. I love you, Dan. Thank you so much. I'll definitely follow you back. Let me actually follow you back. Thank you, guys. I love you, Dan. I'll say I'm like Nyabonga Tokzin. Thank you. I appreciate it a lot. And it's guys, ngabuvela usehamba ne nami thingy. Let me vibe. It was nice being with you guys. Today, later, be live again. Depends. It depends. For now, it's me, your fave. Okay, nene about 5 in lang. Me special. Special. Guinness. Like, don't let anybody tell you otherwise. You guys are special. The 6 of you here. You guys are very special. And I love you guys down. I love you so bad. So bad. If you go live every day, that's gonna show you influencer, guys. The way this girl is motivating me, I love her. you'll gain my followers. I'll try for you, ne? I'll try to be consistent. Ungidecline-ile lo. Ungidecline-ile.
Ngati lindile phela.
Decline mina.
Ngati lindile yabo uzafasha ama disc.
No, kuthi ngidecline-ile. Isibindiseni ngidecline-elani.
Hayi mfethu awu yima. Sawusaqalile manje mfethu.
Ha, ngidecline-elani. Ngidecline-elani.
Fanile umhlanje.
Ha?
Balo umhlanje.
Angimazi nami cabanga. Bonke. Ngiyabonga. Thank you. Thank you.
Nangincoma mfethu ayi.
Bese ngiyindakilani because ngiyaphela. Nafika sekalala yabona ade bengidecline selaphela ibatch bafika manje.
Ine phela yo.
My batch is finishing. Nifika late.
Ona ichacha.
If I charge my phone, then I'll have to pitch it like this, and I don't like that angle.
Abulelini nesingisi.
Sorry.
Charger phela. Uwenza noma yini.
Uzobathi smash lapha section yethu bese.
Charger phela.
Ngeke mfana isazohlala it's 16 izohlala khule kuthi ngangcono ukucharge.
So where are you from?
Hawu angeke ungishiye in person uzongibuza ku live akwenzeki ngeke khehla ngeke
In person?
Okay, ngikuchazela because it's the second time asking me this thing and the young heads and it's hurting me bad. Ngakubona where was it? It was DT, the DT thing. Raise League. What? Okay.
So you were there?
Hayi cha bengekho.
Siyadlala.
No man.
Udlala usuku lakho bese.
Vele right. Akufananga vele njani lakho.
Tell me more, bro. Tell me more.
What happened?
What happened?
Who shall at you?
I guess sikubuzo ngosuku lakho mesingekho yabo in your business or what it like that.
Angenzanga lutho bakithi ngabe ngiqamba manga angenzanga lutho. Bengilele sukulonke.
So iwe manje mocabanga bese mase kuthiwa lobona malini. Ngiyamohlelele.
Ngivela ngima Buffaloes amaningi ngawo futhi.
Everybody needs to bosh.
Wafula yini?
Ngingalola ngama Buffaloes.
Wafula yini? Amaningi? Buffaloes.
Yeah, but bakithi
Bro, what do you mean, dog?
Cause I'm with Buffaloes.
Ukulala yeah. Okay.
My nigga. Yo. Who the fuck?
Asikhohlwa ukulala. Besides that nje.
What else?
Bro, who the fuck said that was like so dope? Buffaloes.
No, because cars are overrated. Wonke umuntu lobola ngenkomo angisazifuni mina.
Lobole ngembuzi ngeenkukhu amakhodi bese inkomo ke bese inkomo iovariety ufuna inkukhu engakhe bese inkomo
Ngama Buffaloes.
akhona aqodi bese no inkomo
Ufuna Buffalo exactly.
bese wena bese obonke live yashaba bese
Yeah.
About Shaba ama 2K.
Lapho bengamacabanga.
nazi simazi
Bala. Nah, me. Ang activist. Ang mazi ngempela.
ngimazi nakusho lana bese
Hello.
Vezela bangumsindo. Vezela bangumsindo njalo manje.
Ngizovela.
No, I'm fine. Oh my goodness. Oh.
Oh my.
IG
Ima.
Ave phela lo emhlanje lapha.
I'm punching. Ooh, Emma. Okay.
So, bafundela.
Yeah.
Charger.
Listen.
Abaputha suka nje sihambe.
Get electrocuted.
Listen. I'm sit on my laptop.
Cha, sifuna ukubona lo rooms.
Rooms are go there.
The stress.
We don't care about that blue dog. We don't care about that blue dog. We don't care.
Awe. Ola la.
We don't
I
care.
have full of value rooms. What's in?
What's in there?
It's fine, bro. You can carry on with your things. It didn't get in the speakers.
Are you sure everything okay?
Yeah, I just got.
Please switch it on. Play YouTube and see if it's working.
No, I just turned it on. It opened.
Like type and see, do something, guys. In yes, watching a picnic. I'm saying, guys, the pain.
It's fine. No, bro, I'm telling you, it's fine. I checked it.
You're nothing. I tell it. Damn. I'm wrong, guys. Akutega.
Like, bro, it's fine. It didn't get in the speakers.
Just do something,
It just
okay?
hit the top.
Guys, in. You want Papa come? Hang in there, Vel.
Kuluma ngezandla kanti wena? Since when?
And I was trying to move it. Okay, bye, guys. You guys have seen enough. Don't panic. I'm such a crush out. Like, meaning a crush out.
Yeah, bro, I just got shocked. No, I didn't scream that loudly. I just got shocked because I was like, wait, what?
I'm such a crush out,
shit.
guys. Ah! Please switch on. Welcome, guys. I'm such a clumsy girl.
Lucky the charger that was here is the one that doesn't work.
Which one?
The one you're no longer using. The one that's drenched in water.
Your teeth. Hey, guys. Hey. You wanna
Compensate me.
Nglambile room, please. Telung Ed, you can request. Oh, guys. I'm having hyper palpitations now.
Yeah, I'm fine.
Telling Ed moderate. Wow. Okay, babe, I'll do that. Yeah, guys, that is the worst. Oh my gosh. It's my girl. Uvuyelwa.
Yeah, it's dry now.
No, I'll do it now, Mama, because I'm so cautious. I'll just do it like right now as we speak.
A never ending. Me.
That gave me an instant headache. I actually have a headache now. What the fuck?
I'm so sorry. I just got scared.
Where
It's just that I watched too many movies where, like, spilling water is a. I'm sorry.
It's okay. I don't blame you for panicking.
In the middle. I'm fine, bro. Like.
Okay, Bani. Uvuyelwa. Okay. I'll need to find you.
Damn, I look scary.
Ngicrash out umbuzo vela bona ukuthi iyagowa lo. Ngathi simshiye. Uvela manje kade bekucela.
Hayi, bro, mina ngifuna ukuvela. Mina ngizokroba nje kuphela.
Uvuyelwa, let me Uvuyelwa. Okay, I can't find you, hey?
We had bigger fish to fry that time.
Rumza bakubingelele.
Hi, how you doing, y'all? Good. Oh, anekuseni nihleli. Anabazali nabo. Bakhe abazali banibhekile.
Urumza naye, urumza futhi kade kuthiwa cela uvele.
Again? Uzovela manje?
Yeah, they're asking who's Ovela. Guys, I have a headache. What the hell?
I'm so sorry.
Rumza nimbonile.
Yes.
She's massaging here. I don't like it. Ngathi uzathi sifiso high five. Ivoice yakhe. Rumza nevoice engane. Guys, I hate it over here. Nothing's opaque. Ngizopeka uphuthu.
Uphuthu nengikhweba.
I'm usually gonna cook. Guys, apa yini? Like ngiyagoba. Go, but in case I can't.
I'm sorry.
No, it's okay. It's the After Effects. Oh, after effects of stressing. Like my stress gives me headache. Kodwa o rooms anayo ushaya V1s. Rooms amusu kushaya V1s vele ngathi uyafuna ukuvela.
Aren't you leaving? It's fine. They're gonna see me next time. See you next time on.
How mama zungahamba. Hey, forget.
Oh, I will let the back. I'm gonna clean up.
Please get me to 5k likes. Please. I swear I
So
just
clean, Alana, bro. Don't stress. Let me wear my shoes and be my tall ass self. And I was like, yeah, girl.
Who's a how co-host 40? What do you want from me?
Ngabuyele mfethu.
Yebo.
Yabona kade ujayele kuyena live dog. Hayi. No.
Angizongena?
Ayapha papani. Yazi lapha i-content yakhe bengivume kanjani.
Ubani lo? Ushaba?
Sesitshengisa wakade. Alo mfethu siyaphetha hayi kulokho hambe ngena ama-live all of us singahlangani nabo.
Upop utheni? How ngeke right like mina?
Just pop it like us.
Yabo mfethu. Mina angimvumile ngaleyo ndlela yabo. So i-approach yami bengeke ngifeso ngizothini angim-approachanga as njengoba ama-celebrity ufuna uku-approach. Ngamtshela ekuseni just ukuthi ngawashare nani. Yena wabaseleka wathi i-approach ethi iyabheda nani yabo.
How? Angimfangelanga nje na ade bengamazi kuma mhlambe nginake ngoba nginamathi.
Jay Omaziyo uyena ongene kwi-live.
I don't know about the proof. I don't care about the proof as usual, you know that. So I come across him, I'm gonna lie something.
Sorry. What do you live? Limba kwadla. Slimba kwadla. We comment yami. Bathi nangu slim.
Yeah, most being wrong hard in but face.
So you don't owe anyone explanation.
Yeah.
We don't owe anyone explanation.
Sambo bu wrong. Konta wrong ngithi.
Nah, you were wrong ngokwakhe because manje ucabanga ukuthi umuntu othize.
Olo. Abonke amanje Olo bangene kule live bazokhuluma ngalo mjini. Iziningi izinto esingakhuluma ngazo. Singakhuluma ngekubo zakho, sikhulume ngo-rooms opopolayo, sikhulume nge-culture yakhe, sikhulume ngama-disco, amancane, nali isuitcase ikhona phezulu singakhuluma ngalo. Kuningi mfethu. Whatever happened, fuck out of here, please.
Ish,
Nangu lo ubevela lapha mfethu.
Angito bane stress.
The on the
Aw mama, sesingaba ne-stress. Kanjani manje?
That's it.
Oh, kanti uwe small, yava njani?
Small is crazy.
Awethu. Kanti kuwena.
Angiboni.
Ngiboni.
Who's dead in the bed?
Hey, where have you been?
Where have you been? Small ozovela.
Kusibiza kodwa angakho hawu.
Tiwa, he was wrong based on his actions. Somebody on my comment is like he was wrong based on his actions. Angazi wenzeni.
Okay, it's fine. Sorry.
Thank you so much.
So, very up small.
You don't know what's wrong, but
Yeah, Bill John guys.
Hey, Fitz, small.
Fitz.
Like, what the fuck? Yeah, guys, yeah. One PG. TJ.
So, this is my small. With the edibles in.
How?
That's
That's an umking.
okay. Unomkhiqinqi small.
Small.
Uzafethu ukuchaza.
Akayazi vele yodwa umqondo kulela.
Oh.
Mtshelelani.
Papa yini? Angintshilile Kusa ukuthi phela vele alikho right.
Oh, indlela besukushaya kweleyo.
Cha ngishaya ngiphela.
Uhamba bese bye. Boom.
9%.
Internet line.
Yeah, bye bese uhamba bese show bese. Yes.
Hawu.
Sobamba kezo.
Awutshela uSmall mfethu ukuthi ebe live. Ngene live Small ngoba ibhetri ngathi nayo.
Oh, ngiyankosha kahle kahle.
Oh shit, mina ngithisa into ngithisa ngapha bese. Yabo asinayo ibhetri lapha bese, nathi sinayo.
Hayibo. Ndale comment.
Yebo le comment ebhala la egcineni.
Angabona ama comment akho because siyahosta.
Kuthiwa. So does brew with white beanie like men? Think about
So
it.
creative face.
Jasmine.
You
You understand?
Bro.
No, I don't get it. With white men.
Mskosini.
Oh. Oh, get still club. No, forgive me.
No.
Brazo, não é um cara, Brazo. Esse não tinha a trailer, Brazo. Ah, trailer,
Umtito papa is.
Você tem só que você só quer ser o na chita, vês? Okay. Vês, não mais doce, vês?
Now he's checking out on me with some session with it now. It's right. I love my conquerors. Bet it's 39.
Okay. Okay, it's not bad.
Vaseline. Please give us Vaseline. Especially love. What again?
Goodbye. Ngale kahle.
Oh. Asilali namhlanje.
Hawu, ngakusho vele ukuthi good night kulungile. Hayi, yabona ke ninjani. Ngithi ngiyanizama ngithanda zame.
Yabo nje umuntu ogcina wathi mina sweet dreams ethi angavuka nginenyongo.
Hey. Uyakuzona into zakho lezi.
Fethu Small fethu alokho evela phela fethu lokho sembo.
Small fethu.
Yeah, guys.
Hayi Small fethu hayi Small fethu hayi.
Afetho!
Almost busy come. Hayi.
Yo, awulele kan.
Hayi fethu.
Uzona phile. Hey guys.
Hayi.
Uzoba live uSmall ne? Uzojoina nge-account yakhe. Hello.
Manje aqale manje sibo.
Qala live akho Small. Bye Nick.
Hayi fethu hayi bye fethu hayi bye fethu.
Phuma kanjani ke la?
Phuma face.
Sokungjaha